Hi, in this video we are going to see about the procedure and functions in a Oracle database. So what is before going to this implementing these problems, first of all we need to understand what is meant by the procedure and functions. So simply the procedure and function is nothing that it has some more SQL commands. It will be stored in the database, that in the procedure statement, so to perform a specific task. So it will store some SQL statements to perform in a certain situation. It perform a specific task. So that was the procedure of the DBMS. So it's here the they use it for the data validation, access control, or to reduce the network traffic between clients and DBMS servers. So the from this statement it is clear that it will validate the data. So we can validate the data before we inserting into the database. Then it can access control, who can access the this data from the database. And then to reduce the network traffic, so at a time more than more members at a time accessing the database, then at this situation, this procedure, this function may comes in this, and it will be solve this problem. So that were the task given for the procedure and functions. So by this, using this procedure and function, we are going to create, that is, we are going to perform the task. So before giving, first we need to create a tables for the necessary, that I have already created the table. So that is we know that for creating a table we need to use create table and the name of the table and the attributes. So I've given course code, that is a number, course name, that is a string, syllabus, last number. So these are the attributes of the table. I've been created the table. So after that I'm entering the, that is inserting a data. So inserting a data into the table. After that I'm displaying the contents of the table. So this were the one of the table. And other, and the next table is next table have been created, that is fees paid. So same before same as we done in before that, for a course, that is table, we have to same we need to create a table for here, and we need to insert at data for this fees paid. So I have been created a four tables of that. So here was the problem given for us. So what is the problem? That write a PL or SQL statement to fetch the salary of the employee Anil. So we need to fetch a employee details called name Anil, and calculate the grade according to its value. So we need to calculate if the salary is less than 100, print the grade as A. If the salary is less than 1000, we need to print as that grade is A. If the salary is less than 2000, print grade B. If the salary is less than 3000, we need to print C. If the salary is less than 4000, we need to print D. So we have done it is like a programming language way, that is in C. We are using that if else statement. So same the thing comes here, that is when we can use that is same the if else statement we are going to use. So before that we need to that is before that we need to declare. So I have implemented in this statement, that is DBMS. So first of all we need to take declare, we need to make a declare, that is a number. So we need to declare a number, that is begin salary, that is I have been declare a number called A, the variable A. I have been declare a number. Then begin. Now select salary into a from, that is Anil. That is Anil's salary I have been taken. And if the salary it will be stored in that A. If the A is less than 1000, it will be print grade A. If it is less than 2000, it will print grade B. If it is less than 3000, it will be uh, grade C. Less than 4000, it will be grade D. And end if end. So the procedure is successfully completed. So that was the thing we have been made in this question. And second one is write a procedure to calculate the course name corresponding to the course code. So we need to write a procedure for making the course name. So first we need to create or replace a procedure. So first we are creating or replacing a procedure called course, that is num in number name out varchar. So if is begin select course name into a name, that is course name into a name from course one from the course table where course code equal to num. If it is, it will be display the course name and the name. Next that is next we are declaring a ab, that is varchar, then begin course 10 comma ab, then end. We are inserting that into that. So next problem is to display the course name by considering the expectation exception. If the given course code is not found, then raise the exception the course name is not available. So if the given course name is in the table, it will be displayed. Otherwise, we need to raise an exception. So that is same as before we have done. Create or replace a procedure, that is course, then num in number name out varchar, then is begin. Now selecting a course name into the name from course where course code equal to num. It will be output that course name and the name. Otherwise, it will be given exception that when no data found. That is, it will raise an exception, that is 401. That is the error. So we are going to, that is after that we are making a declaring the variable. It will be rise an error because error number argument to rise an application error 401 is out of range, and system course line number 8, so it is not there, so that is the error. It has been raised. So next is that we need to write a function to calculate the total amount collected. So we need to write a function, that is creating or replacing a function calci and returning a number, that is it will be return a number. So is a number is number length of 10. If it is equal to 0, then it will be begin select some amount into the from fees paid, return a. So this was the function created, and we are declaring a number 10 will begin c c equal to cal c if dbms dot total sum equal to c, and in procedure success will be created. It will be successfully created. Next is that we need to display the number of inquiries for specified advertisement code. For specified advertisement code, we need to create an inquiry. So create or replace procedure, that is inquiry num in number no out number, that is if begin, and selecting an inquiry number into the inquiry table where ref code equal to num. If we ref code equal to num, then it will display that inquiry number and the number. Now we are declaring the statement, that is declare ab of number 30 begin inquiry 1001 of ab. And next is function, write a function to calculate the total fees paid by a particular student. So we need to create a function total fees paid by a student. So we are creating a function and returning a number, and a number of number if it is equal to 0, then it will be getting the amount from the fees paid where roll number equal to ab, then it will be returning a, then it will be end. So that was the function we have been created for this um, question, that is write a function to calculate the total fees paid by the particular student. So these were the problems we have been seen under the procedure and function using this Oracle database. Thank you.